Hello, project managers. Preparing for your PMP exam? Let's dive into 10 quick questions to help you pass fast. For best retention, engage with this short video. Listen, watch, read, and note. I'll read each question, the correct answer, and a brief explanation. Ready? Let's go. Question: a project team has established contracts for purchasing vehicles and construction services. In the middle of project execution, the team learns that the vehicle supplier cannot deliver the vehicles. There is not enough time to find a new supplier without delaying the project. Which action should the project manager take to procure the vehicles? Answer: review the existing service contracts to find an option to help procure the vehicles. Question: a subject matter expert external to the project team provides a suggestion that will save the project delivery time. This SME has available time to support the project, but was not planned to be involved in the current Agile iteration. What should the project manager do? Answer: ask the existing team members to collaborate with the SME and complete the activity. Question: during a project, the project manager finds an opportunity to reduce the project cost by completing a deliverable ahead of schedule with a minimal impact on project resources. However, the client has only been focused on the next milestone. How should the project manager approach this situation? Answer: review the change management plan to discuss early benefits realization with the client. Question: a healthcare company is in the process of deploying an innovative healthcare solution globally. The project team has completed a limited release. The stakeholders have raised concerns about global healthcare guidelines and risks. What should the project manager do next? Answer: review compliance and regulatory requirements with stakeholders. Question: a project is ready to start and resources are allocated. The development manager then informs the project manager that a critical resource is no longer available due to a family emergency. The development manager indicates that all other developers have been assigned to other projects, and there is no capacity for any developer to take on additional work. What should the project manager do next to fulfill this resource need? Answer: determine resource allocation options based on project priority. Question: during the sprint planning of a project, the team members have a disagreement about the comparative size of the backlog items and if they would fit into the next sprint. Considering a hybrid approach, what should the project manager do? Answer: facilitate the discussion so that the team members can reach a consensus. Question: during daily team stand-up meetings, team members constantly ask about which tasks they should focus on first. How should the project manager ensure the team is fully productive? Answer: work with the product owner to ensure the project backlog is prioritized. Question: a facility extension project is in the execution stage. There is a project activity to connect the power of all new equipment to an existing facility, point A, which requires a significant cable length. The construction team found that the power could be connected to point B and save money. What should the project manager do next? Answer: perform a cost-benefit analysis to evaluate using the point B option. Question: a project manager is working on multiple building construction projects using a predictive project management approach. Senior leadership within the organization is promoting the inclusion of more agile practices into the current project methodologies. The project sponsor now wants the projects to use more agile methodologies. Before mandating any agile methods to be used in a project, what should the project manager do first? Answer: assess the organizational culture and readiness for the transformation. Question: a local company is developing a new product and, for the first time, using a remote team for the programming tasks of features. The design for the product comes from the local team. During the third sprint review, the product owner has concerns about the project's outcomes. The remote development team is complaining that they do not clearly understand the requirements conveyed in the daily stand-up meetings. How should the project manager address this situation? Answer: determine the communication needs, environment, and tools to get the message across. That's your quick PMP prep. Keep practicing and you'll pass with flying colors. Follow for free training. Thanks for watching.